Hello, everybody, and you're watching Maurice, and you're watching Oscillaris Lawn Care. Just wanted to go ahead and emphasize the darkness of lawn care. All right, there, right after this message. Well, hello, guys. I just wanted to go ahead and tell y'all a little bit about the horror stories that go on in lawn care, especially in this part of Florida. I don't know where y'all are at thereof. I just wanted to go ahead and greet y'all where y'all meet at. And also, before I go ahead and tell y'all this story, I just wanted to go ahead and tell y'all what inspired me to go ahead and make this video and actually, to accommodate to all the stuff that is around the lawn care industry as far as what I know of. Now, I've only been in this industry for at least about 7 months now, so the horror stories that I've been hearing about of guys, well, this one guy that told me that he had a friend, and this is outside of lawn care. He had a friend that climbed, used to climb trees and stuff like that for a living, and was working for a tree service for a living. And he was one of the guys that go up there, the tallest height in the tree, and basically go and get all the taller limbs off the tree. And what happened is basically what he told me from my viewing point is that he said that basically the guy fell from all the way, I think it was at least about 70 feet up in the air, man. It was crucial. He had a crucial and painful death. And that's some things that you don't really realize how dangerous it is when you go and take on like lawn jobs or anything thereof. Something that is not a part of your pay grade. Really, it's something that you got to keep in mind you, that you have the right to say no, and you have the right to say yes for that particular lawn job. So with that being said, also, just wanted to go ahead and actually give y'all another story that accommodates with tree services, and thinking outside of the box of your natural business. Meaning to say that you may go ahead and take on like jobs that pertain groundwork, just like such as say for instance, I've actually known a guy that tried to take out a tree stump and hit a BMW, and had a BMW, actually the back of the BMW, and he had to go ahead and luckily that he had some kind of insurance, because he had to go ahead and file for insurance and stuff like that. This is another dark truth of the story. No, it's not scary, but guess what? You can go ahead and basically get in that type of trouble and that type of doing services for somebody else, accommodating services for somebody else. So you kind of want to go ahead and search for your insurance and other options as well. So hey, I'm just letting y'all know that it's guys out here that did what y'all did and are thinking of the type of business that you're thinking of. I don't know if y'all quite get it, because y'all looking at it, like brand line maintenance, looking at Stanley Dirt Monkey, and they're making all this money, and just basically nobody's really telling you the real. Nobody's really telling you the real. You can get in some financial debt and have to basically pay these people back the money that you just made plus more, and that ain't funny. And all the con artists are in this industry as well. Just like I said, to add to the video, if you want to go ahead and if you're looking at this from Various Venture, this is also being posted on my YouTube channel, Oscillaris Lawn care. So go ahead and look me up on that channel thereof, and I will be able to go ahead and give y'all some brief descriptions. Not yet tutorials yet that are in the channel. The channel is way young to be tutorials, but in the future aspect, we will be doing tutorials on certain equipment, seeing, you know, the rundown, the breakdown of basically, you know, the basic, the grind of all the equipment that they have out there. So with that, well, let me go ahead and tell you another guy. Woo. When I tell you this guy right here, he was using a chainsaw, and basically he got his chainsaw. I don't know how he did it, but he got his chainsaw and cut off his middle finger. And I'll be able to show y'all. I'll show you all the people that I'm featuring on this video. I mean, telling all these stories and not knowing, you know, getting a visual of all the people that I'm talking about. But man, this is very truthful. This is very for real. This is something that you shouldn't take lightly, because it can happen to you. And using safety precautions like goggles, and you know, I know we don't all illustrate safety in our videos, but you know, I try to go ahead and illustrate enough safety in mind to actually give you the rundown of what you need to do. All right there. Well, that being said, I just didn't want to make this video a little bit longer because I got a lot of stories, a lot of them. All right there. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.